Imagine writing ad copy, blog posts, or email campaigns in minutes, not hours. Imagine helping businesses grow while building your own online income, all powered by AI. This is the future of writing, AI-powered copywriting services. Section 1. Why copywriting sells? Let's start with this simple truth: words sell. Every successful brand, every viral campaign, every irresistible product description, all begin with powerful copywriting. Copywriting is more than just writing words. It's psychology. It's about understanding emotion, behavior, and motivation, and translating that into text that moves people to act. Great copy doesn't just describe, it inspires. It turns browsers into buyers, and followers into loyal customers. And in today's attention economy, where every scroll counts, businesses need content that converts. From landing pages and social media ads to sales emails and blog posts, every word is an opportunity, and businesses are willing to pay for the right message. But here's the challenge: traditional copywriting takes time. Hours of brainstorming, endless editing, multiple client revisions. That's where AI steps in, turning that process from slow and stressful to fast, efficient, and profitable. Section 2. How AI helps. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace writers, it's here to empower them. Modern AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate high-quality content in seconds. With the right prompts, you can create engaging blog posts that rank on Google, persuasive ad copy that boosts conversions, strategic email sequences that nurture leads, even full sales pages in video scripts. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't suffer writer's block. It can instantly generate 10 versions of a headline and test which one performs best. It can analyze tone, structure, and SEO, making your copy smarter and more effective than ever. Let's look at some examples. AI tools can improve clarity, remove fluff, and help you match brand voice effortlessly. You can input a company's website, tell the AI what tone you want, professional, friendly, bold, or persuasive, and it tailors the copy instantly. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert copywriter to start. Even beginners can use AI templates and frameworks, like IDA, attention, interest, desire, action, or PAW, problem, agitation, solution, to create compelling content that sells. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on strategy, creativity, and client relationships. That's what makes AI-powered copywriting a real business opportunity, not just a tool, but a way to scale your income and build a brand around your skills. Section 3. Offering services. So how do you turn AI copywriting into income? Simple: offer it as a service. Businesses everywhere need content. Small businesses, e-commerce brands, coaches, creators, real estate agents, SaaS startups, and even nonprofits. You can position yourself as an AI-powered copywriter who delivers top-quality content faster and more affordably than traditional writers. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Focus on what you know best, maybe product descriptions for Shopify stores, social media posts for influencers, or blog content for wellness brands. Niche expertise helps you charge higher rates and attract consistent clients. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Create sample pieces using AI tools. Show before and after examples, raw prompt versus polished result. Visual proof builds trust. Clients love seeing what you can do. Step 3. Set your pricing. You can offer packages like 3 ad variations -$75 blog post -$150 email sequence, 3 parts -$200 full website copy -$500 plus. Step 4. Add testimonials and social proof. Even your first few clients can give glowing reviews that establish credibility. Offer discounts or free samples in exchange for honest feedback. The key is to position yourself not as a writer, but as conversion expert who uses AI to deliver faster, smarter results. You're not just selling words, you're selling outcomes, clicks, leads, and sales. And because AI tools handle the repetitive writing tasks, you can serve more clients without burnout. The secret is in your workflow: prompt effectively, refine quickly, and deliver professionally. Your AI is your assistant, but you are the strategist. That's what separates average freelancers from high-paid copywriting pros. Section 4. Scaling your income. Once you've mastered AI-assisted copywriting, scaling your business becomes effortless. Let's break it down. 1. Hire AI assistants or team members. Train junior writers or virtual assistants to handle basic client projects using AI prompts you've refined. You become the editor and strategist, ensuring quality and consistency while your team increases output. 2. Offer subscription services. Instead of one-time projects, create monthly content packages. For example, $300 per month for weekly blog posts, $500 per month for ad campaigns, $800 per month for full content management. Recurring income keeps your business stable and predictable, even while you sleep. 3. Create digital products. Once you have a process, turn it into an asset. Sell prompt packs, AI templates, or even online courses teaching AI copywriting. Digital products create passive income streams while building your authority. 4. Partner with agencies and creators. Marketing agencies constantly need scalable content solutions. Offer to white label your AI copywriting so they can deliver faster results to their clients. This way, you earn income behind the scenes, no need to chase individual clients. 5. Continuously improve. AI evolves fast. Stay updated with the latest tools, techniques, and plugins. Test different A/B copy versions, refine your tone detection prompts, and track your conversions. The better your prompts, the better your results, and the more you can charge. Remember, clients don't care how you write. They care what results you deliver. If your copy drives traffic, clicks, and sales, your income will grow automatically. AI allows you to focus on what matters most: creativity, communication, and client satisfaction, while automating everything else. It's the perfect combination of human insight and machine precision. AI-powered copywriting isn't the future, it's happening right now. From solo freelancers to agencies, everyone is discovering that AI is the ultimate productivity partner. Whether you're crafting catchy headlines, persuasive sales pages, or engaging blogs, AI helps you do it faster, better, and more profitably. So if you're ready to turn your words into wealth, this is your moment. Start learning AI prompts. Build your service packages. Reach out to businesses that need your skills. Because every business needs copy. And now, you have the power to deliver it smarter than ever before. With AI-powered copywriting, you can earn more in less time. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell on Smart Money today to start your AI copywriting journey.